Reverend Persimmons. I had to get on here and talk to you, brother. My name is Brother John, Tim, George, Michael, Joel Hawkingthorpe. My mother, she slept around when she had me, so she wanted to name me after my daddy. So she just named me after all the guys that she was been with. Oh, praise the Lord. Anyway, the other day, I was working out in the hog farm, and I fell, and I hurt my back. And while I was down there, the pigs, they stepped on my arms and hurt me up something bad. And then I ate some of their mud poo, and it got my stomach all upset. And then, while I was down there, one of the pigs hollered in my ear, and it hurt my eardrum real bad, and I couldn't take it. And I was laying in bed tonight, and I seen you come on my tube, and you said, say heal, and I did, and I breathed, thank you, Brother Foster, I'm going downstairs now. I can't say the stupid things now. Reverend John, I had to get on here and talk to you, Brother Persimmons. Reverend John, I just had to get on here and talk to you. My name is John, Tim, George. I put some taffy in my teeth to hold my teeth in. Now I want my taffy back. Have a nice day. Bye.